there. There's my edge. Do that. There. Let's give it this shape on the end. There, that's what we need to cut out. Ooh, it's diving. That is a lot more aggressive a grain than I wanted. Ooh, oh, against the grain. Heavily against the grain. there. The other one needs to go right there. There's that one. Putting it at a slight angle, I'll cause it to straighten out once it gets in there. And I'll pull that blade over a little more, keeping it just a hair tighter. Maple doesn't shine quite as much as oak. See, those aren't happy. Good bread knife. A lot faster to cut. Really nice even slice every time. It's a fence for your bread cutting. Perfect slices of bread every time. That's what I like. So there you have it, a bread knife. One of the things that are really cool about this is it gives you a fence, so you can get the exact same thickness of slice every time, so the bread slides up against you. If you ever know the problems of slicing your own bread, you end up with these slices that go all over the place or end up as door stops. This one you can get nice and even slicing, so you can get that perfect sandwich, and that MLT, mutton, lettuce, and tomato this is what you need for that. It's a really simple, easy product, and I have links to where you can get the blade online. Just a fun little thing you can whip out in any time in the shop. I have seen all sorts of other ones, some even with an adjustable fence so you can set how thick you want it to be for every slice. And just a fun, easy thing, especially if you're looking for a quick present for someone else. There you go. So I hope you like this. If you have any other thoughts or ideas or comments, leave those down below. Hitting the like, share, subscribe, commenting, that really helps out and keeps us in front of more people. Thank you for that. And I do read through all the comments and answer as many as I can get to. So thank you for supporting the channel that way. If you want to take it one step farther, you can come over here and become a patron on Patreon. Everyone scrolling over there is helping us grow. Also, down below there is a little button that says join. That is where you can become a member here on YouTube. Becoming a patron or a member, we do have special perks for both, and it is really you guys who keep us going. We are supported completely by you, the viewers. Thank you for that. I want to be able to say what I want to say rather than what some sponsor wants me to say. If you like that, then think about becoming a patron or a member. There's links to all that down below. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I do have to say, if you're a golfer, you don't want one of these. Nobody wants a slice.